Stick a fridge magnet to the door and it grips hard. Flip it over and nothing. Same magnet, same door, yet one side is dead. That is not a coating or a weak spot. It is the way the magnet is made. Inside that thin strip, the magnetism is laid down in narrow stripes, north, south, again and again across the whole face. On the back, those stripes cancel out, so almost no field escapes. On the front, they bend into tight arches that reach only far enough to grab steel. It is called a Halbach array, and it throws nearly all the magnet's strength to one side, up to twice the pull of a plain magnet the same size. The same trick lifts maglev trains and spins electric motors. Flip your fridge magnet over tonight and feel the dead side.